Good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 1 sets and let us see examples from practice set 1.3. Let us see question number 1. If A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, set B is equal to C, D, E, F, set C is equal to B, D, set D is equal to A, E, then which of the following statements are true and which are false? Number 1, let us see first C subset B. So first we have to write elements of set C, that is BD, and set B CDEF. Now see elements of set C B and D. So this element B is not there in set B, only D is there. Therefore C is not subset of B because all the elements of set C are not in set B. Therefore C is not a subset of B. So set C is not subset of set B. So this statement is false. Therefore C subset B is false statement. Next, number 2, A subset D. So first we have to write elements of set A, B, C, D, E, and elements of D, that is AE. Now see, all the elements of set A, B, C, D are not in set D, only A and E are there. Therefore, A is not a subset of D. Therefore, we can say that A subset D is false statement. Next, let us see number 3, D subset B. So first we have to write elements of D, that is AE, and we have to write elements of B, that is CDEF. Now see, all the elements of D, that is A and E, are not in B. Only E is there. A is not there in B. Therefore D is not a subset of B because all the elements of set D are not in set B. Therefore we can say that D subset B is false statement. Let us see number 4, D subset A. We have to verify. Now we have to write elements of D, that is AE, and now we have to write elements of A, that is ABCDE. Now see, AE, elements of set D, AE, are there in set A. So all the elements of set D are in set A. Therefore we can write D is subset of A and is true statement because all the elements of set D are in set A, AE. Therefore D subset A, it is true statement. Now let us see number 5, B subset A. We have to check. So we have to write elements of set B, C, D, E, F. Now elements of A, B, C, D, E. Now see, elements of set B, C is there in set A, D is there, E is there, but F is not there in set A. So all the elements of set B are not in set A. Therefore we can say that B is not a subset of A. Therefore given statement, that is B subset A is false statement because all the elements of B are not in set A. Now let us see number 6. We have to check C subset A. Now we have to write sets of set C. Elements of set C, that is BD, C, B and D. Now elements of set A, that is A, B, C, D, E. Now we have to check all the elements of set C are in A or not. C, B and D, both the elements are there in set A. So all the elements of set C are in set A. Therefore, we can say that C is subset of A. And therefore, C subset of A is true statement. So only two statements are true statement, that is number 4 and number 6. Others are false statement. So don't forget to write this example in your notebook. So subset means all the elements of the set are in another set. Therefore that set is subset of that set. Now let us see example number 2. Take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as universal set. So here we have to consider universal set, that is capital U, and we have to take natural numbers from 1 to 20. So 20 elements are there in universal set, and show set X and Y using Venn diagram. So let us see first. Set X is given X such that X belongs to N and 7 less than X less than 15. It means that X lies between 7 to 15, not including 7 and 15, because only less than 15 and bigger than 7, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We have to take these numbers. Now first we have to consider let U, capital U, is the universal set. Therefore capital U is equal to natural numbers from 1 to 20, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 20 elements are there in universal set. Now first X belongs to N. It means X is a natural number, and we have to find out bigger than 7 and less than 15. Therefore 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 according to this condition. Now here we have to draw Venn diagram. So U is the universal set which is represented by rectangle. Now here we have to put elements of set X here: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, and other elements we can write here. So this is set X. This is set X. Now other element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and here 20. So this is universal set, and X is a subset of universal set. So by this diagram we can show this x and u. Now let us see another example, number 2. Y such that y belongs to n. It means that y is a natural number. Y is a prime number from 1 to 20. So first we have to find prime numbers. See here 1 to 20 numbers are there already. So we have to find prime number. So 2 is a prime number. Prime number means a number which is divided by 1 and itself. So 2 is divided by 1 and 2. 3. 4 is not a prime number because 4 is divided by 1, 2, 4. So it is not a prime number. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 are not prime numbers. 11, which is divided by 1 and itself number. 12 is not prime number. 13, 14, 15, 16 are not prime number. 17 is prime number. 18 is not prime number. 19 is a prime number. So we got 2. 1 is not a prime and not composite number. So we can't take this. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 are prime numbers. So we can show that this by Venn diagram. So universal set can be represented by rectangle. Now we draw rectangle, and for this we can say U as universal set. Now we have to plot all these points of universal set. 1. Now we can put these numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. And for this we can say Y. For this set Y, which is a set of prime numbers. Now remaining examples we can put here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 here, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 here, 18, 19 and here 20. So all numbers of universal set are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. This is universal set. But set of prime numbers, that is Y, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So this is called as Venn diagrams. So both are Venn diagrams. So don't forget to draw this Venn diagram in your notebook. You have to put these sets in circle, and universal set we can represent by rectangle. So let us see other examples in next video. Bye. Take care.